Good morning, everyone. This time I will introduce myself. My name is Kadek Gentan Saputra. You can be called Gentan or Kadek. I live in Wonogiri Village, Karangasem Regency. I was born on 5 of May 2005, and this time I'm 15 years old. I am a student of Bali Mandara High School. I'm grade 10 MIPA 1. Berhada sini. I like red and blue, and my favorite food is meatball. My hobby is flying cheese and flying football. Okay, maybe this time for that's all I can say. The end of my word. Say goodbye. Thank you.